Welcome to today's Ayurvedic tip. What is Pitta? Pitta refers to the summer season in Ayurvedic medicine, and it's the basis or the foundation for our Ayurvedic tips for summer series and how to keep your body cool in the summer naturally. This video is an Ayurveda 101 lesson on the Pitta Dosha, Pitta season, and how it forms that foundation of how to balance your Pitta Dosha. So I'm Krista of Flourish, your wellness lifestyle coach using Ayurveda and Essential Oils. And if you're intrigued about this thing called Ayurveda, make sure to click on the subscribe button to be notified when our next Ayurvedic tips video is released. Ayurvedic medicine has so many just simple, easy, practical tips that just make sense. When my clients discover their dosha and what that means for them, it's like a light bulb going off in their brain, right? So healthy daily habits become easy when you know the why behind them and which ones work for you and what don't, what you can let go of. So let's dive in today. Pitta refers to summer season in Ayurvedic medicine. Pitta dosha is one of the 3 Ayurvedic body types. So you may have heard of Vata, Pitta, Kapha before. These yoga body types are combinations of the Ayurvedic elements of earth, water, fire, air, and ether or space is the last one. Pitta dosha is that combination of Ayurvedic elements of fire and water. So it means you have more fire and water in your body than you do the other elements. We have everything, but those are the more intense ones. Pitta's personalities are fiery and intense from that fire element, right? They can be quick to flare, but they're also decisive and they move at full throttle to put vision into action. They crave transformation. They like to get things done. In balance, they're great leaders and they're very action orientated. They tend to be athletic. They have sharp penetrating eyes. It's kind of a giveaway Pitta characteristic along with a reddish complexion. Pitta qualities from the fire and water elements are hot, oily, smooth, mobile, light, and sharp. Okay? The Pitta season is summer. One of the Ayurvedic principles is that like attracts like and opposites balance. So too much of a good thing creates a problem. So the intense heat of summer amplifies the Pitta qualities in your body. We all have some Pitta, even if Pitta dosha is not your dominant Ayurvedic body type. Heat amplifies Pitta, right? Like attracts like. So exercising in the prime heat of the day can burn up your energy quickly in the summer. So instead, look for cooling practices like yin yoga in the evening and slowing things down to help create balance for your Pitta dosha in the summertime. While food plays a big part in how to balance your dosha, Pitta dosha actually has the strongest digestion. They could eat almost anything. However, Pitta personalities need regular meals so they don't become hangry, right? As their bodies process food very quickly. They have this strong digestive fire within them. So eating spicy foods, salty foods, and acidic foods all combine to cause a Pitta imbalance. So use cooling Ayurvedic herbs and foods for Pitta dosha like sweet fruits or mint tea to cool and temper that digestive fire. So use these simple daily habits and choices to help you find balance and make life more easeful in the summertime. So comment below, what dosha are you and what helps you stay in balance in the summertime? And if you're wondering, how do I know what my dosha is? Or perhaps you're looking for tips on how to balance your dosha, check out the video, What is my dosha? And take the free dosha quiz, the Ayurvedic quiz to find that out. The link for that is actually flourishdoshaquiz.com. Pretty simple. So along with discovering your dosha, you'll also receive tips on what foods are best for you, what's your optimal time of day to think, exercise, to play, what healthy daily habits are right for you, and which ones are throwing you out of balance, what things you're doing that you think they're doing well are actually like throwing you off the other end, right? So join me for the next Simple Wellness class so we can talk more about your dosha and how Ayurveda and essential oils can help you have more energy and motivation, how to feel lighter and to feel balanced. The link to join me is in the description and in the comments below. The simple wisdom of Ayurveda helps us understand our own unique nature and what's right for you. If you enjoyed this and found it helpful, give yourself a big thumbs up. And that also tells me what type of video to make more of in the future. And then comment below how you find balance in the summer, in that summer Pitta season, and what dosha you are. That kind of gives us relevance for that. Don't forget to subscribe to get notifications for the upcoming Ayurvedic Tips for Summer series. We're going to chat more about foods for your Pitta dosha, yoga for summer, and some great essential oil for Pitta dosha recipes. So let's make wellness lifestyle simple, easy, and effective for you. Namaste.